thank you so much for stopping by. So today, in my first installment of the Shop My Stash, because I got a whole bunch of makeup that I like never touch, I am doing this look, and it is featuring this LA Colors Glam Palette 18 color eyeshadow blue palette. This was like $1 or $2, y'all. So anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I have already done my base because it's pretty much the same every time. I will say that I used the Black Radiance liquid makeup. This is the foundation in 8416 Mocha Honey today for my foundation, and everything else is pretty much the same. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the eyes. Now I am going to use as a base, I'm going to use as a base this LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in white. I'm sorry, this color is Seashells. Yeah, whatever. Whoa, y'all. That whole little, maybe I'm just too rough, but the whole thing just came off. Is this like a twist type situation? How do I sharpen this? Well, that's a little saddening. Like, really? I can't be that rough. Jeez. All right, well, we will see how that does. I might have to report back on like if I can get more use out of this thing. Let me see. Let's try a jumbo sharpener right this second, shall we? Because that whole thing, well, I sort of put it back and it's sort of staying, but let's see. Does this sharpen? Oh, it does sharpen. Yay. Well, it's one of those like black hard lead things, so you're not quite sure if it sharpens. Okay. Well, that's not the end of the world. The tip broke off, but I was able to sharpen. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more because, yeah, I want my eyeshadows to pop. And this palette is a $1 palette. So it was either, I think it was $1 or $2. Either way, it was cheap. So I'm not even about to play myself and not use some type of priming situation. But this is a very, very affordable priming alternative. Just a white eyeshadow pencil or eye crayon. Yeah, it's called eye pencil, but it's a crayon, whatever. It's from LA Colors, as is this palette. This is the LA Colors Glam Palette 18 color eyeshadow. It does not have an official name, but it is blue. It's blue. It's a whole lot of blue. So that's what we're gonna be playing with. Now it's like all blue. There are 2 colors in here that aren't some form of blue or green, and that is this like brown-esque color and this cream color. So yeah, we'll see what will happen. I'm going to go into I don't know what I'm gonna use as a transition color. You know what? But I'm gonna be bold. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use this like matte. This is like one of the only matte colors in here. Actually, I'm gonna use this light blue matte eyeshadow in the above the crease in the transition area section. Well, that's completely washed out. which it is a very light blue. So what was I really expecting? I don't know. But we're gonna use that up there because I have no idea what I'm gonna do in the crease right this second. So who knows, it might need a little help blending out. Yes, I do. I know what I'm gonna do in the crease. It's blue. We're going all out with the blue. Okay, so I'm gonna take fluffy little blender brush and I'm gonna go into that teal color, turquoise, tealy, emerald almost color. I'll put that right smack dab in the crease. Yep, I'm going for it. It's definitely a little more powdery than I expected. But yeah, it's looking kind of ashy. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of ashy. It's looking definitely ashy. I mean, I'm getting some hints of that like blue green color, but it's like definitely not giving me what it looks like in the pan. Now, it might look different on my fairer sisters, but on moi, you see what's happening here. Okay, how about we try something a little darker? I'm going to go into this blue right here. And put that in the same place. Is it bluing it up a little bit? It's bluing it up a little bit. You know what? Maybe it's the fact that I'm using a for real legit blender brush and it's just blending. It's just doing its job. I feel like, yeah, I look like a clown. But that's okay. It's gonna work out. All right, that blue is coming through. It's blue. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now, I'm gonna go onto the lid. I'm gonna go into this shimmery turquoise color. Yeah. Am I gonna regret? I might regret this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I might regret it, but today is about living a little, right? Yeah, it's about living a little. If I can find a flat shader brush, good grief. Come on, brushes. Y'all know I'm doing a video. Be appropriate and be found. All right, I'm just gonna use this one. Eyeshadow shader. Okay, that works. It looks pretty on the eyeshadow shader. Aww. She's so cute. Oh, look at her. She's adorable. Yes. That did not disappoint. Okay. I see you work. I mean, when you pay $1 or $2 tops for an eyeshadow palette, this is worth it. I mean, for just that shadow alone. Can y'all see it? It's like giving me a little bit of shimmer. I like it. I know we look crazy, but I'm gonna work it out. Fear not. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a like a, I don't know, more compact dome brush. Yeah, and I'm gonna go into this deep, this is like the deepest color in the palette right here. It's like a navy blue, and I'm gonna put that on the outer V. Can y'all see it? It's doing it. It's definitely, it's buildable. Gonna have to build it, but that's okay because it's not gonna like be overwhelming if you're a beginner and you're just like, I'm not trying to get that much color. I'm not. I can live with it. And okay, so there's like minimal fallout on these eyeshadows. I'm all right with that. It's all right with me. I can dig, guys. I really can. All right, okay, all right, I see you. Now, I'm going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go into the inner corner with, what brush am I gonna use? Oh, I found the flat shader brush. I'm gonna go in with this shimmery light baby blue. It's actually kind of, it's not quite baby blue because it's got a little bit of green, like a baby teal, I guess. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. It's all right. I can deal with it. Yeah, I could definitely do that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, let's work a little. I'm gonna take a blender brush and actually let me get one that doesn't have any color on it and blend a little bit up here above the crease. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the cream color in here, right there. It's matte, sort of. I think so. And just put that above my crease a little bit to help soften that even more. Actually, it might have a little bit of shimmer. Interesting. It's okay though. How do we feel about this? All right, I'm gonna take the shader brush and just reapply a little bit of that turquoise color to make sure that it is still coming through for your girl. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna take the little what is this called? This is an elf brush. I don't know what it's called though. Tiny contour brush, I don't know. And I'm going to take do I want to take this color or the deeper color? I'm gonna take the deeper color. Nope, not quite as deep. I'm gonna take this one right here, which is like the second deepest color, very gingerly on my brush, and put that on the lower lash. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm gonna go into the that like lighter color that I used on the inner corner and put that on the inside of the lower lash. Okay, I think that's good. All right, now I am going to line my eyes, and I'm going to line my eyes with, actually, yeah. Okay, I'm going to line the waterline with a white eyeliner. This is NYC. This is the NYC Eye Pencil Duo. Mocking something. I don't know. It's black on one end, white on the other. Now I'm gonna line my eye. Let me not play myself. All right, now for the mascara situation, I'm going to put on this Magic Super Plush Fiber Mascara by Sugar. I think this might be like a Korean brand. I could be lying. Anyway, this is in Carbon Black. I got it from Holler. Link is in the description box of, you know, for Holler. They're legit. Anyway, this is like a mascara that is supposed to also have fibers in it to make your lashes longer, fuller, all of that. Okay, so that's it for the mascara. I built her up. I built my eyelashes up as much as I could. This is what we have. All right, now I'm just gonna line my lips with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Brandy Wine. And I am going to put as a lip color this lip paint long lasting smudge proof lip color in, I don't know what color this is, but it's from Tattoo Junkie. It's like a pink nude. Make that a mauve nude. This is like for real nude for my lips almost. I can live with it. Smells really good. Do I want to put a gloss on that? I might want to put a gloss on that. Let's do, nope, can't do a golden glossy gloss. How about I just put some clear gloss on the center. This is Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss in whatever the clear is, crystal clear. Very good. Now let's set hard candy. I love this setting spray. It's the Longwear Sheer Envy setting spray. It is delightful. All right. So this is what we're looking with. I can't speak today. This is what we're looking at. Tell me if you like it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.